Friends, in 2019, when Morris Garage's British automobile company was not having any existence in Indian market, they took a very brave decision and dared to step into the Indian market with its first launch with MG Hector. MG Motors was not very sure about the Indian buyers whether they will accept it or not. On the other side, that was a very big challenge even for the Indian buyers to buy a car which was coming in India for the first time and having very limited showrooms and service center in India. And lastly, whether MG Hector gonna survive in Indian market or MG Motors gonna discontinue the MG Hector in future. These were the biggest challenges in Indian market buyers. MG Hector was not the car of 5 to 6 lakhs over which Indian buyers could have taken the risk of buying it, but it was a pure gamble of investing 15 lakhs over an SUV whose future is uncertain. Ultimately, MG Motors played that gamble and took their chances, and on 27 June 2019, MG Motors came up in Indian market with its first launch, MG Hector. But unbelievably, Indian buyer welcomed and accepted MG Hector with open-handedly, and MG Hector cracked many records in this segment by the end of the year 2019. After the success story of MG Hector, MG Motors launched their electric vehicle MG ZS EV, and on 30th July 2020, MG Hector came up with their third launch, MG Hector Plus, with 7-seater concept. After this third launch of MG Hector Plus, legacy of MG Hector was written with many records. Now in Indian market, MG Motors name is quite familiar, and MG Motors name is taken with respect for its majestic designing and reliable engine performance. Now after the success story of MG Motors is more confident about the Indian market to take more bold decisions, and this time MG Motors has done all preparations and standing tall to launch its fourth product in Indian market, the beast, the monster, which is none other than the Morris Garage's Gloster. Price touching 45 lakhs. Direct drivers of MG Gloster would be upcoming Toyota Fortuner Legender, Toyota Fortuner Standard, Ford Endeavour and Skoda Kodiaq. Till now, no SUV is even dare to shake up throne of Toyota Fortuner. Toyota Fortuner is the ultimate king of its segment with crown over his head and with unshakable legacy since its first launch in 2009. Ford Endeavour has been trying to snatch the crown of SUVs king from the Toyota Fortuner since ages, but far behind when we go through the selling figure of Ford Endeavour as compared to the Toyota Fortuner. But after the launch of MG Gloster, the game could be changed if Indian buyers accept MG Gloster as they have already accepted MG Hector and MG Hector Plus with open-handedly. MG Gloster gonna be a biggest threat for Toyota Fortuner, and if Ford Endeavour won't come up with something new to compete with upcoming Toyota Fortuner Legender and MG Gloster, then I'm so sorry to say Ford Endeavour game is over. So what advanced feature Morris Garages is giving to its baby MG Gloster, and in which price range Morris Garage's cute looking baby would be available in Indian market? We will get to know every detail in this video. So ladies and gentlemen, here is your host Anupam Misrani Mehta, and you are watching Car Paradise India, and today we are presenting you every minute detail over MG Gloster. So please be with us and watch this video till end. And to get updated with the latest car world news, please friends, join our family by subscribing Car Paradise India and also hit the bell icon. Friends, we will start with the exteriors of MG Gloster. MG Gloster's front profile looks so aggressive with massive grille which looks humongous with its 5 slats. MG Gloster's grille having triple tone effect. One is the chrome finishing, second is the glossy grey finishing, and third is the glossy black finishing. MG Gloster's grille is having octagonal shape with massive MG logo at center. Overall, the MG Gloster grille looks very dynamic, elegant, posh, mesmerizing and humongous with 5 slats with triple tone effect and with massive MG logo embedded in its center. MG Gloster having monster looking hood which gives you feel of rugged SUV with elegance. MG Gloster bumper is again having a dual tone effect. Lower part is garnished with the chrome and upper part is garnished with the matte black material, and over it front parking sensors are embedded. MG Gloster's headlamps are wrapped around the corners. Headlamps unit is loaded with a full LED dual projector headlamps with light guiding, and headlamps units are also decorated with the LED daytime running lights. MG Gloster is coming with the LED fog lights, and fog lights housing is surrounded with the crescent shaped chrome finishing. Overall, MG Hector's front profile is fully loaded with the chrome and futuristic designing work. Now let's talk about the side profile of the MG Gloster. From its side, MG Gloster is humongous. It is 5 005 mm in length, 1932 mm in width. It means MG Gloster is not only longer, wider than the upcoming Toyota Fortuner Legender or Ford Endeavour, but MG Gloster is longer than the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. MG Gloster height is 1875 mm, which is for little bit shorter than the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, but not shorter than the Toyota Fortuner Legender. MG Gloster wheelbase is 2950 mm, which is A1 longer than the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Let's talk about the MG Gloster is offering you in its side profile. MG Gloster comes with chrome furnished roof rails. MG Gloster's all ABC pillars are furnished with glossy black material and surrounded by a very slick chrome finishing. MG Gloster's windows are garnished by the chrome. MG Gloster offers you chrome handles. MG Gloster's ORVMs again having a triple tone effect. It is having glossy black finishing, glossy grey finishing, and with the matte black finishing. ORVMs having LED turn indicators even on the door area. MG Gloster offers you chrome strip. MG Gloster is very tall SUV, so it's equipped with the side step to ingress and egress in the car. MG Gloster is built on small truck platform. MG Gloster is having leather frame chassis. MG Hector offers you 4-wheel drive option so that you could engage into Gloster 4x4 mode whenever it is needed. MG Gloster gets a double wishbone suspension at the front and a 5-link setup at the rear. MG Gloster is having massive wheel arches. MG Gloster tire size is 255/55 R19. Its rim is 19 inches. MG Gloster is having 210 mm of ground clearance and 560 mm water biting depth, means it is built for the off-roading and performance. From its side profile, MG Gloster is monster looking SUV with lot of futuristic elements and stylish and sporty character. MG Gloster rear profile is again fully loaded with a lot of futuristic and adorable elements and well complemented with the massive front profile. MG Gloster offers beautifully designed wrap around tail lamps, and you are getting full LED daytime running lights in its tail lamps. MG Gloster tail lamp style statement makes MG Gloster more elegant, posh, and gives you a mesmerizing effect at night when it is lit up. MG Gloster offers you integrated roof spoiler with high mounted stop lamp to give elegance to the rear profile. MG Gloster have introduced Gloster Chrome badging. Such style statement takes MG Gloster one step up than its rival like Toyota Fortuner and Ford Endeavour. MG huge logo is embedded at center, which makes rear profile more elegant and upmarket. Below MG logo, you will get chrome strip to complement the logo, and below that strip, rear parking 360-degree camera is hidden. MG Gloster is having wrap around windscreen, which is distinctive from the others. Rear bumper looks quite aggressive and also equipped with rear parking sensor. MG Gloster departure angle looks very good for off-roading. MG Gloster exhaust pipe is housing is also furnished with chrome. In bumper, reflector is also embedded. The cabin design of the MG Gloster is strongly inspired by the modern BMW cars. MG Gloster is decorated with a D-shaped steering with black leather upholstery. All cruise control, infotainment controls, music control, pedal shifter, and many more other buttons are mounted over the steering. MG Gloster is loaded with the 8.0-inch digital multi-info instrument cluster, which offers you so many color combinations mode like sports mode, auto mode, many other modes. You could set color combination of your choice. MG Gloster center console is equipped with the 12.3 massive infotainment system, which is supported by the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The infotainment system is loaded with the many other advanced features. MG Gloster cabin is very neatly designed and gives very fresh feel when you enter inside it. MG Gloster seats and cabin having leather upholstery. MG Gloster's front seat are power with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. MG Gloster is offering you 3-row layout with 7 seats configuration, including 2 captain seats and 8 seats option without any captain seats. MG Gloster is also offering you humongous panoramic sunroof. Safety is also taken care by the MG Gloster by offering you 6 airbags. Now let's talk about the futuristic and advanced features which are offered by the MG Gloster, like brake assist, ESP, hill hold control, hill descent control, autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a tire pressure monitoring, front and rear parking sensors, 360-degree camera, heating wing mirror gesture control, tailgate, ambient lighting, 3-zone automatic air conditioner. MG Gloster comes with the 7 selected drive mode knobs, sports, eco, rock, sand, mud, snow, and auto to enhance its off-road capability. MG Gloster is confirmed to offer front collision warning and automatic emergency braking. MG Gloster is coming up with a very advanced feature which you can't even get it any of its rival, which is automatic park assist, which was mandatory feature for sheer sized SUV. MG Gloster is equipped with the MG iSmart connected car technology, which offers you 80 plus connectivity features on go. Friends, if I will explore its all features, then this video gonna be very lengthy, but would love to flash some light over the highlighted features of MG Gloster, like information at a glance feature, allow you manage complete vehicle setting with just a touch. Machine to machine embedded SIM over the air or updates OTA functions allow you to MG Gloster will get a newly looking screen and themes, new apps and new entertainment content from time to time as new updates are available. MG Gloster is loaded with the voice assist feature Hello MG, which activates the car control system, enabling a better hand-free interaction between you and your MG and leading to more enjoyable, safer journey. MG Gloster comes up with the eCall and knows your vehicle status, which makes you stay updated you about the current condition of your MG Gloster before any long journey or off-road drive. MG Gloster comes with the iSmart next generation mobile app, remote vehicle control, Find My Car, AccuWeather, smart drive information and many more features. I am containing MG Gloster features list right here because it's very long. Now let's talk about the most important and most costlier part of the epic car, which is engine. In India, MG Gloster would be powered with petrol as well as the diesel powertrain. MG Gloster would be powered with in-house developed 2.0 liters 4-cylinder single turbocharged engine that generates 161 PS of maximum power and 375 Nm of peak torque. Second option is diesel powertrain. MG Gloster would be powered with in-house developed 2.0 liters 4-cylinder twin turbocharged engine that generates 218 PS of maximum power and 480 nanometer of peak torque. In petrol powertrain, MG Gloster would be powered with 2.0 liters 4-cylinder twin turbocharged engine that generates 211 PS of maximum power and 350 Newton meter of peak torque. All these engines would be available with 6-speed manual gearbox option and 8-speed automatic gearbox options. Now comes the big question that MG Motors would launch it at what price range. If we will talk about its humongous size, specifications and features list, MG Gloster is offering its direct rival would be Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, but MG Motors has to set Gloster in the segment where its direct rival would be the upcoming Toyota Fortuner Legender, whose top end is touching 45 lakhs. I have already made detailed video over upcoming Toyota Fortuner Legender and I am giving you link in description box, so please click it from there and watch it. So surely MG Motors gonna launch its MG Gloster at the price range of 45 to 50 lakhs. So friends, how did you like our video? Please tell us by commenting. And friends, if you are having any query regarding upcoming MG Gloster, then you could ask us in comment box. And friends, please, it's a request, join our family Car Paradise India by subscribing it, and please also hit the bell icon. Friends, thanks for watching our video and thanks for your love.